Pigment powder filling line. Bottle feeding turntable, feeding bottles automatically. Fit for all kinds of dry powder, spice, medicinal powder, salt. Can be customized for different bottle size. Plastic screw cap, aluminum cap. Meet GMP requirements. Different filling volume can be adjusted by touch screen. Automatic bottle labeling machine. Fit for different round bottle size with sticker opaque label与 clear label. Finished products with high accuracy, loved by customer. Please contact us to get more details and best price now.